Hey everyone! Welcome back to KnowledgeHeals. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of algebra. We're going to learn how to solve simple equations. Are you ready to become math wizards? Let's get started. First, let's talk about what an equation is. An equation is like a math sentence that shows two things are equal. It has two sides separated by an equal sign. For example, x plus 3 equals 7. In this equation, x is a variable. A variable is just a fancy word for a number we don't know yet. Our job is to find out what number x is. To solve the equation, we need to make sure it's balanced. Imagine a seesaw. If we add or take away something from one side, we have to do the same to the other side to keep it balanced. Let's solve x plus 4 equals 9 together. We want to find out what x is. To do that, we need to get x all by itself on one side of the equation. First, look at the equation. X plus 4 equals 9. We need to get rid of the plus 4. How do we do that? By doing the opposite. What's the opposite of adding 4? That's right, subtracting 4. So we subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. X plus 4 minus 4 equal to 9 minus 4. What do we get? The left side becomes x because 4 minus 4 is 0, and the right side is 9 minus 4, which is 5. So x is equal to 5. Great job! We just solved our first equation. Now, let's practice a few more together. Try solving these equations with me. First equation, x plus 6 equals 10. Subtract 6 from both sides. X equals 10 minus 6, so x equal to 4. Awesome! Let's do another one. Next equation, x minus 3 equals sine 7. Add 3 to both sides. X equals 7 plus 3, so x equal to 10. Now it's your turn. I'm going to give you a few equations to solve. Write your answers in the comments below. First equation, x plus 5 equals 12. Second equation, x minus 2 equals 8. Third equation, x plus 7 equals 14. I'll reveal the answers at the end of the video, so keep watching. Did you know you use equations in real life too? For example, if you have 10 candies and you give some to your friend, you can use an equation to find out how many you have left. Equations help us solve everyday problems. All right, let's check the answers to our quiz. First answer, x equals 12 minus 5, so x equals sine 7. Second answer, x equals 8 plus 2, so x equals sine 10. Third answer, x equals 14 minus 7, so x equal to 7. Great job, everyone! Today, we learned how to solve simple equations. Keep practicing, and you'll become a math pro in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun math videos. See you next time on KnowledgeHeals.